open them?
Yeah. Yeah, leave the boxes here.
Yeah, leave the boxes here.
Smalls is the illest.
Hey, coming to our events today. Hopefully we see you here and come out with your ride, alright?
Woo, let's do it.
Hey!
What's up? We here. Out here. What do you have to say, Vicky?
Happy to be here.
Nice.
What's your name, man?
I'm Walter.
Walter. I'm
Yeah.
Jay. Nice to meet you.
Straight up. Nice to meet you, man.
This is yours, huh?
Yeah.
So you were saying you were the first person to get a GT from us?
That's what they told me when I picked it up at the store.
Yeah? How was that? How was picking it up at the store?
Oh, it was easy. It was easy. I mean, I just called them up. Well, they called me up and said, hey, your GT's ready. I came by in the next hour, picked it up. They unboxed it for me, put it all together, hooked up the brakes and everything, and I picked it up ready to ride.
Right on. You got those horns on your helmet, man. That's pretty cool.
Thanks, man.
How about you, sir? What's your name?
Hi, Tyrone.
Tyrone?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Where's yours?
Mine is the Thunder 2.
Why don't you show me that?
This? Voila. It's the Thunder 2. Am I sit on it? Is it all right?
Yeah, go for it.
See, my legs are short, so they're like, yeah.
How do you feel about it?
Wow. This is... Most people I can ride it. Oh, man.
Hi, folks. These are yours?
Yeah.
Very nice. What are your names?
Maurice.
And I'm Nicole.
Nicole?
Yes.
Nicole and Maurice. Nice to meet you guys. You guys got some matching scooters here, huh?
Kind of, sort of.
Yeah. You guys go on a lot of rides together?
We do.
I'm trying to get her out more.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get her into the group ride.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah, I got one of those. I haven't hooked it up
So we're gonna get started in 2 minutes. We want some water, definitely grab some. We're gonna be having breaks along the way. So we're gonna be riding all the way down to the beach over here, all the way back. We're gonna hit up some of the street.
Pretty short. How'd you guys like it so far?
Not bad.
All right, yeah. Small group, but it's good, right?
Yeah.
You guys ever ridden on the street like that before?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, really?
We do the critical mass ride, where they just take over all the streets at night. It's awesome.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's the last Friday of every month.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's a great
Yeah.
ride.
Hey, what's your name?
My dad.
Can you tell me about your scooter?
I honestly know nothing about it.
No? Well, do you like it at least?
Yeah, it's really comfortable.
Yeah?
Yes.
There's a lot of power in this one. You can handle it okay? Yeah? And you got the red too. That's very nice.
This is my Victor. Fastest scooter, this one.
How many scooters do you own?
I have like 6.
6 scooters.
I know, right?
That's a lot. And you got all these like mods and stuff on it. You got light and that stuff. That's cool. Some speakers.
Yeah, just the speaker.
It's nice though. You go on a lot of rides with your daughter?
Yeah. She's been skateboarding since she was 4. Well, that's why she has that one.
Yeah. She's
That's
got
a
the Mantis
fast
King
one.
GT. It's so nice. And she got the red one too. It's very, very cool. That's cool. I'm glad you guys made it for the ride. Thanks for coming.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Maybe you'll make it for the next one.
We will.
Cool.
Yeah, we will.
Are you riding with a boot on your
Yeah,
leg?
man. I've been stuck in. I got into an
see that
accident
thing.
on this thing. I got into an accident on this thing June 23rd, right? So now I'm just now able to like move around. I couldn't sit in the house anymore. And so I found out that the ride was going on today. I was like, yeah, I'm in there. Yeah, man. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, I just added this because of course with the boot right now. I got it. But yeah,
You got the Whopper key too?
Oh yeah. Pulled up. I came up. I got over here.
You ready to go for another ride right now?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Right on.
Yeah, man. I'm very happy with my purchase.
Yeah, it's not
They're amazing, dude. I love working on these.
Hi everyone, my name is Brandon. We're out here in Santa Monica. We just finished our Take the Beach event today, and here we are with.
Dash Miller. What's going on, y'all? How you doing?
All right, Dash, what brings you out here?
Well, just wanted to come out and ride. Saw that this is the first ride that you guys are doing. I actually had my scooter for probably about 3 months now.
Ooh, and how are you liking it?
I'm loving it, man. I'm loving it. I actually traded in my car for the scooter. Actually,
Committed.
the
Really
gas prices,
committed.
Gas prices kind of made the choice for me, for sure. But ever since then, like I get the range I want. I get, I'm able to keep up with traffic, which is kind of the main thing, especially out here in LA.
So out of all the scooters that we have, why this one?
For me, it was because I did test ride a lot of them. The Wolf King GT Pro, the reason for it was one, the range, the durability of it. I just liked how sturdy and durable. It kind of just the way that it was structured, it kind of reminded me of just like back in the day, like my BMX bike. This actually survived a lot better than I did. Like
Look at that! Look at this right here.
Yeah.
Man still came out with a boot on.
Yeah. So
He's
ride
still out
responsibly, y'all. Make sure you ride responsibly. That's
Safety
important.
first, yeah.
Helmets, always important. But yeah, so once I test rode it, I just knew that I wanted to go ahead and go with the Wolf King GT Pro for sure.
Pleasure. 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 Next time, okay?